it's Nelda. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. I'd like to share with you today a children's book that I just altered, and this is Walt Disney's Winnie the Pooh, A Tale of Two Tigers, copyright 1998. So this book is about 21 years old. I used my cinch to bind the book and added this old lace to the ring, and that's all I did. I didn't do anything on the cover except distress the edges, and this is the back. This book is still in pretty good condition. And so now this altered book can be a photo book slash journal. Okay, so let's take a look inside. For the first page, I made a tuck and a tag. I got all the images and quotes from Pinterest. The back is for journaling and I added this lace. And this lined paper is to write on. On the back is Piglet and it says give your all even if it goes unnoticed. On this page there's another lined paper to journal on and it's also a tuck. And then I added this pretty scrapbook paper for a photo and you can also journal here. This is Winnie the Pooh and Piglet, and then this is another tuck that contains cards with hard words and plain words, and these cards can be altered. This is the first pocket and this is a photo mat, and on the back you can journal on. I believe I have here 6 pockets and 6 photo mats, and photo mats are all the same. Next page, this is another tuck, and then I made a collage, and these are stickies that you can use anywhere on the book. Another scrapbook paper for a photo. Then this is a quote from Winnie the Pooh. This is another tuck and cards. This is the second pocket and another photo mat. Here are more stickies. And then the pocket can also be used as photo mat. Next page. There's another lined paper to write on, and then the back can be for a photo. I made this envelope and inside are more photo mats. These are picture words that I just laminated. You can put photos on the back also. I used a book, it's a vintage book of maps to make the envelope. And then this is the pocket and the photo mat. So the back is also for journaling. Here is another envelope, and inside are discount cards. So these discount cards can be altered also, can be made as tags. And for the envelope, I used a vintage music sheet. This is Winnie the Pooh and Piglet, and then this is Piglet only. These are flashcards that can be used as photo mats. And of course, the pockets can also be used as photo mat. And then you have another insert here. Next page, this paper is from Papa Melrotti, and it's a beautiful craft paper with beautiful coat. And I didn't do anything on this page here. And then here is another scrapbook paper for a photo, and there's a beautiful quote here from Piglet. More stickies. And another pocket with insert. And then next page, these are small stickies. Another photo mat, and this is Piglet and Winnie the Pooh. And then I made an envelope, and inside are assortment of stamps. Some of them are vintage. And I believe this is the last pocket and the last insert. And then there's another small envelope here, and inside are coupons. And then on this big craft envelope is a booklet that I just made. And then I used the grungy looking coffee stain paper for inside pages and elastic for closure. So this is a separate journal. And that's it. This is the altered Winnie the Pooh book, A Tale of Two Tigers. So this was a lot of fun and I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. This will be listed in my Etsy shop, Nelda's Crafts. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Again, God bless you. Bye now.